Hey there everybody, Tristan Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. So we're going to be going over some crazy things today. So a lot of you might have the question from time to time, how much maintenance does my pond need? What does long-term maintenance mean or necessarily have to happen for a water feature? So a lot of the time we go third party and reference these things to cars. You know, every now and then you need an oil change, your pump burns out, you need to get some fluids topped off, you need more algicide or bacteria. These are the way that these things work, but every now and then, after 10 or 20 years, there are some larger things that need to be done. So you guys are about to be watching a video on a pond that my dad built back when I was like a wee little boy. I was maybe about this tall, somewhere in there. I don't even know if I was that tall yet. It was a really long time ago. But this thing's got 2 skimmers, 2 biofalls on it, and this thing has progressively started to leak over the course of the last 3 years. It's just gotten worse and worse and worse, to the point where when we're out there doing the cleaning last year, we actually assessed the face plates on all of the filtration systems and noticed that the bolts weren't in bad shape. They were gone completely. So there was literally none of the bolts hardly left in any of these filtration systems. So what we're going to be doing is not only a routine spring cleaning on this thing, but we're going to be coming in and resealing all 4 of these filtration systems as a routine type of thing, because as anything in the world, time takes its toll. And after almost 20 years, this pond is finally having its first major maintenance project. So you guys stay tuned. You're going to see what it takes to reseal all of those things, the amount of labor, work, and expertise that goes into a mild surgery on your water feature. Because if any part of this process goes wrong, it's going to be leaking when we get done still. So we're in here to fix these issues. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We're out for now. Stay tuned. Was an aggressively long day. So you guys just got to witness us cleaning this water feature, getting it back to its former glory, tearing apart both series of waterfalls, almost a quarter of the rock to expose the faceplates of the skimmer and get those guys reattached. And you also saw some other issues that arose, but this was a ridiculously long day. And these are not things that you have to do on an annual basis. So like I said, this has been close to 20 years since this water feature was installed, and this is the first major overhaul. So if you're thinking about doing some of these things yourself, if you do got some leaks and you know that they're in your faceplates and your hardware is all rusted away, we have videos on how to reattach, what that looks like, the process, and as you guys just saw, it is a whole lot of work. So I hope you guys enjoyed the journey with us here at Modern Design Aquascaping. We produce this content for you guys, so please do us a favor, like, comment, and subscribe down there so that we can continue to produce more content like this stuff. Have a good one.